Ever wondered about Near Wallet on Telegram and how to mine hot tokens? Near Wallet is a non-custodial web application that supports the Near network and hot tokens. It's a simplified version of the Here wallet, launched on January 31st, 2024. With its low-cost hot token mining, Near Wallet attracted a whopping 200,000 users in the first 36 hours. Major exchanges, such as Binance and OKX, have shown their support, and the wallet is affiliated with Telegram. The success of Near Wallet isn't just talk. It's backed by over 470,000 users and a record-breaking daily miner count of 350,000 for hot tokens, surpassing the previous record set by Sweatcoin. Hot token. Mining in Near Wallet is a trending phenomenon in the crypto world. But how does one start mining? Mining hot tokens in Near Wallet is a straightforward process. Let's break it down into a few simple steps. Step 1. Signing up for Near Wallet. Click on the invitation link provided in the description below. This will take you to the Near Wallet Telegram bot. After setting up your wallet, you can start mining by clicking on Claim in the main menu. Step 2. Claiming your first hot. Click on the Claim button again on the next screen and wait for 0.01 hot. Now, you might face some instability due to the influx of new users and the fact that this is still the beta version of the application. Don't worry if this happens, just wait and give it another shot later. Step 3. Beginning the mining process. From the main menu, you can check your balance of hot tokens and the total stored assets. Now, mining is an automated process that doesn't require your constant attention. After a set time, your vault fills up, and you need to extract tokens for more mining. This is done by clicking Claim Hot. When you first start out, the developers provide 3 chances to get tokens without any commission. After these, you have 3 options. Complete social tasks to get extra free transactions, pay commissions with Near tokens, or pay commissions with hot tokens. Now don't forget that mining is not a one-time activity, it's a continuous process. As you mine, your vault will fill up, and you'll need to extract tokens to continue mining. Once set up, mining is an automated process. But how can one boost the earning process? Well, let's explore that in the next scene. Remember, this is just the beginning of your journey into the world of hot tokens and Near Wallet. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this fascinating world. There are several ways to increase mining efficiency in Near Wallet. One efficient way is through referral links. By using these links, you can earn a 20% bonus from the income of your invitees and an additional 5% from their referrals. This not only boosts your earnings, but also helps grow the community. Now let's talk about upgrades. Near Wallet offers 3 types of upgrades that can significantly boost your mining speed and storage capacity. The first one is storage, which increases your storage capacity, allowing you to mine more hot tokens. The second is Fireplace, which speeds up passive token mining. The last one is Wood, a mining speed multiplier that can give your earnings a significant boost. So by using referral links and purchasing upgrades, you can significantly enhance your mining efficiency. Boosting efficiency can significantly increase earnings. But what are the future plans for HOT's development? The future of hot token mining is promising. The developers of the Near blockchain plan to introduce a villages system once they reach 700,000 miners. This system will grant 5% of user-generated income to these communities for distribution. The mining process will remain static, but keep an eye out for 2 new booster levels unlocking in the next 2 weeks. The team is committed to ensuring a fair token distribution among real users. But that's not all. There are plans to allocate hot tokens to various game projects within the new Near ecosystem on Telegram. This means you'll have opportunities to win hot tokens while having fun playing games. Although potential listings on centralized exchanges have been hinted at, no official announcements have been made. Near Wallet offers an accessible way to earn tokens without investment. So, why not give it a try?